Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get XRP address on Binance. To get XRP deposit address on Binance, follow these steps. Visit the Binance website and log into your account. After that, hover over the wallet in the top right corner of the screen. Select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. In the Fiat and Spot section, search for XRP using the search bar or scroll down to find it in the list of assets. Next to XRP, click on Deposit. Once you click Deposit, a pop-up window will appear. Choose XRP from the list of supported cryptocurrency. After selecting the network, you will see the XRP deposit address displayed. Copy this address by clicking the Copy button. Now that you have XRP deposit address, you can use it to send XRP from the external wallet to your Binance account. So that is how you can get XRP address on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.